Mr. Speaker, I've heard the question, why haven't you done this before? Unfortunately, the full depths to which abortion providers have sunk was not previously public knowledge. The recent release of a number of hidden camera videos exposing the painful dismemberment of unborn children to facilitate the sale of their body parts by Planned Parenthood has provided clear evidence that truly repugnant activities are rampant in the abortion industry and that taxpayer support should never be provided to organizations that participate in the trade of human tissue. One key Planned Parenthood abortionist even said, quote, "We've been very good at getting heart, lung, liver because we know that, so I'm not going to crush that part. I'm going to basically crush below, I'm going to crush above, and I'm going to see if I can get it all intact." In these days of 3D ultrasounds and high-definition screens, it is impossible to hide the humanity of these child victims. They have fingers and toes, heartbeats, and organs developed enough that tissue collectors will pay $60 a specimen for them. In light of the serious questions raised by these videos, the House Committees on Energy and Commerce, Judiciary and Oversight, and Government Reform have each launched investigations. While Planned Parenthood does not receive direct federal funding for abortions, these investigations are warranted, as a recent report from the Government Accountability Office shows that the organization receives an average of $500 million taxpayer dollars each year for other lines of business. Money's fungible, and the federal funds that Planned Parenthood receives ultimately subsidize their abortion services. Mr. Speaker, that's why today's legislation is so important. In light of the atrocities uncovered in abortion facilities across the country, it is vital that states be empowered to choose to withhold Medicaid funds from flowing to abortion providers that deliberately dismember unborn children to receive compensation for their organs and other body parts. And with that, Mr. Speaker, I reserve the balance of my time.
The gentlelady.